Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damaris Properties, and I am your go-to channel for real estate content and properties. If you are looking for property here in Nairobi, and if you also have property that you want to put in the market, you can always reach me, and then I can help you. I can link buyers to sellers. I can link a buyer to you. And if you are a buyer looking for property, I can also link a seller to you. So today we are doing yet another content here at Tatu City. So if you don't know where Tatu City is, it's in Kiambu County. Just 40 minutes drive, 35 to 40 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD. So we have a house that is going for renting. So so this particular house is a 2-bedroom house. Going for renting, not for buying, although we also have units going for selling, like if you want to buy a whole unit, but this particular one is going for rent at 58,500 Kenya shillings. So you can do the conversion by dividing by 130 to know how much that is in US dollars. So we want to go in so that you can see how this house is looking. So if you have watched my previous content, I have been here in this place doing a couple of contents for one of my friends who has several units here, and he wants to rent them out. So this is also one of the units that he is renting. So we want to go in and see why it's costing 57,000. Let me confirm that for you in a minute. So this one is costing 58,500 Kenya shillings. So I have shown you two houses going for 64,500 and another one for 62,000. That is after the negotiation. So I also even do the negotiation for you guys. So you can see how beautiful from the outside. The flowers are looking so beautiful, so amazing. So let's go in, guys, without further ado, so that you can let me know if this house is worth that amount of money. So what can 58,500 Kenya shillings give you here in Nairobi? So karibuni or welcome. So this is the house. I'm going to locate it. So this one is on the ground level. So the houses on the ground level are more affordable compared to the ones on the upper level, of course, because many people do not like ground floor, including myself. But let's see what 58,500 Kenya shillings can get you in rent in Nairobi. So we have the living space, and let's see if the lights are on. Yeah, they are on and they are working. So this is the kitchen area, obviously, and this is the living space. So this is the kitchen area with a countertop here and cabinets. Is this space below the countertop? There are cabinets. There's a sink with water. We don't buy water here. So there's water. And then we have cabinets up here. More cabinets down here. We have a black tile separating the kitchen from the living room and the laundry. We have the laundry area. Guys, I'm really trying to train myself how to, to speak up. I'm working on getting a microphone. Probably in the next few days, I will be having my own microphone so that you guys can hear me more clearly. So this is the laundry area, the kitchen, the living space and the dining at the same time. Then we have a small balcony and also the neighborhood on that side. Let's check the bedrooms. So we have the common toilet with a shower area, the common toilet on that side, and we have the first bedroom here, looking that way, and it has a view to the park. It has a park view. That's why I started this video. So this is the first bedroom, probably the kids' bedroom. Then we have master ensuite. So it's actually the same design as the previous houses I have shown before. So this one is also up for rent, with a view to the park area. It has a balcony. The grill is well fastened for security reasons. So this is the bedroom, the master bedroom, and a view to the neighborhood. So it's a double cabinets or wardrobes. So probably for the gentleman and for the lady. So let's check the ensuite, the bathroom with showers. The sink, the toilet, and the bathroom. So it's basically the same design as the two previous houses I have shown in my video. So you might also need to check my previous video. I have shown two houses going for 64,500 Kenya shillings, and one of them is discounted to 62,000 Kenya shillings. So that is the second, the master ensuite, and yeah, that was a very brief tour of this particular house going for 58,500 Kenya shillings. So you can let me know in the comment section what you think about this house. This one is on the ground level, enough sockets. What I like about units in this place is that they have enough sockets, sufficient sockets. And then we have the kitchen. I feel like someone has lived here before, so that's why it's not feeling very, very new. Like you can see here, this is the cooker area, but can be fixed before you come in, or probably this somewhere else you can move it. So there are so many sockets in here. Even here we have a socket on that side. So what I like about this house, when comparing to the other houses, is the park view. You have a view to the park, unlike the other houses that had 90% view to other neighborhoods. So this is why this house for me is a little bit different. So let me give you one more tour so that you can see how it's looking. So my number is on the description box below. And also the price, I will also put the prices for these houses on the description box below. So it comes with 2 bathrooms, master ensuite, and we have a separate or an extra, it has an extra toilet for the guests. So I like the park view, honestly. So this particular unit, they come with a park area where you can cycle. At the end of the day, there's even like a chair or a desk, or actually a park chair that you can sit. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can give you a better view of the park. So that is the park. It has a supermarket, which is also within the residence. Within here, it has a gym area, it has a clubhouse, it has a swimming pool, and also it has like working offices around here. If you're a working person, you want an extra office or a place that you can put your office, there are spaces for offices in this place. This is the famous Tatu City, and this house here is going for rent at 58,500 Kenya shillings. This is my favorite view, honestly, the park view. So let me give you one more tour of this house, without forgetting locking the window for you. So this is one of the bedrooms, the kids' room. Let me call it the kids' room, or your guest room. There's a common toilet here with a sink, The design is actually really good. We have the towel area, crop pipe where you can hang your towel holder, the shower area here, and then we have the master also on this side. The master is very spacious with toilets. So once you come to the master bedroom, definitely you lock that way so that there is privacy. The place is very quiet. That's how it's looking. The doors are modern design. And then we have the towel area behind there. The master has 2 wardrobes, and then a beautiful view to the neighborhood on one side, and the other side, the park view. So if you're looking for a house for renting or for buying, if you're looking for property, if you're looking for land here in Nairobi, or wherever you want to send me, I can actually do the work for you. You can always reach me. My number is on the description box below. My name is Damaris. You can always DM me on WhatsApp. I really respond very fast when you contact me on WhatsApp. And if you want to rent these houses, you can also reach me on the same number that is on the description box. So I am working on getting microphones for this camera so that our sound quality is good. So probably in the next video you are gonna get better quality of voice. So yeah guys, so that has been the house tour for today. Let me know in the comment section which other units here in Nairobi do you want me to check out. And if you have not watched the Northlands tour, I am working on something, then I can have the video back on YouTube, because I realized it was moving very fast and we need to include some more details, and we need, of course, to let you guys know how you can reach us and everything like that. So if you have not watched that video also, you might need to check my previous posts so that you can see how Northlands is looking. And if you're interested in property on that side, you can also reach me on the number that is on the description box so that you can get yourself property. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching to this end, and see you in the next one as I leave this property. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I am your go-to channel for real estate and property. So there's ample parking, by the way. So every house has its own parking and a beautiful view to the park area. And also there's a lawn area here if you just want to come and chill and bask in the sun. You can get yourself this house. So my number is on the description box again. So thank you guys for watching to this end, and see you in the next one. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss property that is going for sell or renting here in Nairobi. So ciao guys, see you in the next one.